All right, Sean, what are we making today?
All right, it's wiener time.
Look at that.
All right, so we're gonna take all the wieners, we're gonna cut them in half lengthwise. So just, what's the best way to use it? So we're gonna cut each of these lengthwise. Just kind of.
Yeah, look at that.
There we go. These are a little harder to cut through than I thought.
I know.
We're gonna cut them each in half. Cut real quick. Just cut it all lengthwise. Cut through the whole thing. Just try to get it in half.
There we go.
There we go. We're gonna do that to each one.
Okay.
Full. That wiener don't want to.
I know it's
split.
It's tough.
Ah, there we go.
There we go.
All righty. Okay, so we're rolling. All right. All right, so we're gonna take a piece of cheese, line it up on each one. Just like so. This guy. And now on half of them, I'm gonna put some jalapenos. Because there's some people who don't like the spicy and some people who do.
I love the spice.
I love the spicy. My acid reflux does not, but sometimes I eat it anyway. All right, so half of them gonna be jalapenos, half of them gonna be regular. Okay. So next we want to take some bacon. We gotta put that topper on the cheese there. There we go. All right, so we're gonna take the bacon. Slice out. This has been sitting out for a few minutes, so it's a little
slimy.
Goosey. Actually, cut real quick.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. Kim, I need your help now. All right.
All right.
So we got some nice, pretty bacon here.
Looks so good.
It's all loosey-goosey, which is good because we got to wrap this junk. Okay, so we're going to take it and just kind of wrap it around. Probably need about 2 pieces per. Actually, let me redo that. I just forgot about it. All right, so we're going to put the bacon down. Make sure that's together. Then we're going to roll this guy up in the bacon. Woo!
Looks nice.
This is going to be a pork on pork delight.
You can't beat it though.
And then lay that guy down. And just keep on rolling. Alrighty.
That's a
There's
thick boy.
one. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's take another one.
Big old slab.
Down. This is some floppy bacon.
It really is. It's not that thick cut.
I didn't know it was gonna come out like this. So just keep rolling that guy. Just like so. Okay, here we got a solid piece. There we go. Oop.
That's a thick boy piece.
Oh, it got a little loose on this end. So there we go. These guys are just keep it.
All right, they look good.
Yep. All right, so we'll put them on this little baking sheet. It's about to be full of bacon grease. We don't need to spray this pan because we got all this bacon grease on there. All right, space them out somewhat evenly. And then we're gonna take just a little bit of brown sugar. and sprinkle it over the top of each one. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Sprinkle it over the top of each one. This is not coming out. Why is it all clumpy, man? Now we're gonna get some brown sugar, just sprinkle it over the top of each one. So just kind of
look at that.
go. Just give it a little extra flavor.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Mm.
Now, if I were y'all, any extra stuff I would get out, because if it's gonna burn on the bottom of that pan, so I would get that out of there. Cut real quick. All right, so we're gonna put this in the oven. We got it at 350. We're gonna put it. Excuse me, let me. I'm gonna put it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes.
All right.
All right, let's give it a look.
Holy
Ooh,
macaroni.
look at them things.
Don't spill that grease on you, it'll hurt.
That smells good. I smell the cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. All right, so it looks pretty good. Now I forgot hot dog buns like a dummy. I bought them. I just left them at Kim's. So I got to stick into there a little bit. There we go. So I left my hot dog buns at Kim's, but I got some trusty naan bread here.
Ooh,
You
I know.
You want to do a little Indian fusion here.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, you can't have a pork dog without some fixing, so I got some sauerkraut.
Kind of like pickled relish almost.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Got to do that. What's y'all's favorite stuff to put on your hot dogs? You like it plain, mustard, ketchup and mustard? I'm a kind of like a all the fixings type of guy. So you got a little sweet relish on here.
Mm.
Yeah.
1 second.
Yep. And get a little fancy with it, a little Dijon.
Dang, what are those seeds in there?
That's the little Dijon seeds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And last but definitely not least, some ketchup. Boom. That's the sound you like.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's give this thing a try. Look at that guy. All right, let's give it a try. That was good. I love the cheese filled.
Look at that. So good.
Y'all gotta try this.